inside your body, there's a tiny universe. And its hero? A humble stomach named Gary. Gary's job? Digestion. Gary's problem? A wild, party-loving acid droplet named Acid Dude. Acid Dude's idea of fun? Dissolving Gary's walls. But Gary's no rookie. He's got a secret plan. Cue the cavalry. These tiny repair cells work faster than a caffeinated squirrel. Every 3 days, they rebuild Gary's walls, while Acid Dude throws tantrums like a toddler denied candy. Why 3 days? Because Mother Nature said, "Let's keep this drama short." Meanwhile, the human hosting this chaos? Clueless. Absolutely clueless. They'll never know their stomach's walls just rebooted. Again. So next time you eat a ghost pepper, thank Gary and his 3-day renovation crew. Science? More like survival comedy.